Welcome to charting our contacts buyers. So from the main screen we need to select on contacts. To go into our contacts list view, from here we can go into the data entry screen by clicking on the card on the left hand side of any of our contacts. And then if we like, we can do a find on everyone that's a buyer yes, and we can perform the find. So this has given us all of our buyers, and we can now select on charts in the top right hand corner, and we can select from our bar chart or from our pie chart. In this case we'll select our bar chart. We can see here that we've got one record that doesn't have a lead source filled in. We've got our coloured brochures, our internet, and our prospecting is our main source. So to print this chart out, we can select print, and we can make sure that it's going to the correct printer. We can also change the chart title by selecting change chart title, and then we can rename the chart to any title that we like. So I've renamed this to contacts from all time lead source. So I can now print this if I like. I can close the window back down by selecting close window, and then I can close the window here to remove the chart selector. If I'd like to do my find on everyone that has a lead source filled in, I can select perform find. I'd still like to say buyer yes, and in my lead source I need to make sure that I've got my operator of greater than or equal to more characters, so it's the 0 or more characters, and then I can perform the find, and now I've got 33 records and all of these buyers have their lead source filled in. If I'd like to find on a particular time, I can use my date created field down the bottom right here. So I can say I want to find everyone that was created in a particular month. I can use my star sign, so this is my operator. I can select the month and I can enter in the year. So this will show me any records that were created in the 5th month of 2013, so it doesn't matter on the date, so there was only one record. Now if I wanted to break that down and say I just want to find everyone that was created in the 5th month, and it doesn't matter what year, I can say the 5th, and then I can put a star in for the year. So this will show me any records that were created within the 5th month of any year. So I can perform the find, and I've now got 32 records, so I can use my booklet to go through these records. I can see here that I've got the 4th of the 5th 2006 for these few records, and then I've got the 4th of the 5th 2007 and 2008. So this is just a way of how I can break down finds, and I can use this type of find in my listings database to find the properties within a particular month if I like, or a particular year or date range. And once I've got the found set, I can then go to charts. I can select my contacts lead source chart, and I can print this chart out. I can also change the chart title, so this chart might be for May 2013. Once I've printed this chart out, I can close the window back down, and I can close my chart selector, and that's how I can do some different finds to print out my buyer lead source chart. So the CD icon will take me back to the main screen. Thank you for watching.